Hi, and welcome to Design Space Friday with Shirley Ross. Today we're going to continue with putting overlays inside of framed shapes, and we're going to work with a Disney hand, a Mickey Mouse hand today. And this Mickey Mouse hand has 3 layers. I'm going to first ungroup it. We are not going to need this top layer, so we're going to get rid of it. We are going to need 2 of this layer, so I'm going to duplicate that and move it over here. And then the 3rd layer you don't see because it has the slash through the eye, so it's hidden. So we're going to hide that. So now we have both the front and the back, and we're going to select those 2 and we're going to slice it. In doing so, we're going to end up with just the outline. And that is what we're going to put inside is the spider web. However, I'm going to use the other hand that we saved to do that with. So what we're going to need is to make the spider web big enough that, let's make it a little bit smaller. Oh, let's undo that because we want that hand. Let's make the spider web a little bit smaller. We just want the hand to cover it, and if you need, you can range it to the back so you can kind of see what you're going to see when you slice it out. Let's try that. Let's see what we get here. So we're going to slice, and then we're going to end up with that hand, that outside, the second one is the same one there, so I'm just going to delete that so we can see. So you have either the negative, but if you do this one, you have to remember all those little pieces are going to be separate. They're not going to weld in, so let's not use that one. Let's use this one. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to select them both. I'm going to use the align, and I'm going to center it. Now that should make it perfectly center, and then we'll select them both, and we're going to weld it. There you go. You now have a Mickey hand with a spider web in the center. You can do this with any shape. It's best if you have a shape, like I said, that has an outline or an overlay behind it, so that you have something to cut out. If you bring in a single layered shape, then you have to make the background layer, and sometimes that doesn't work so well when you're sizing it. So if you do have one that has a background layer, such as this one had with the black background, that works the best. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and happy fun playing with it. Enjoy. Bye.